Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a serious piece of kitchen hardware that aims to change how you cook. We have the new Nuwave Induction Cooktop, and on paper, this looks like the ultimate upgrade for anyone looking to ditch gas or traditional electric coils. If you are tired of burnt meals, inconsistent heat, or just want more counter space, this might be the device you have been waiting for. Let us start with the core technology. The biggest selling point here is the patented linear T technology. In the world of induction, consistency is king. Many cheaper hot plates pulse their heat on and off, which leads to uneven cooking. Nuwave has engineered this unit to make constant, micro adjustments to maintain a steady temperature. When you combine this with the included digital probe, you are looking at professional level precision. You can set the target temperature for your steak or your sauce, and the thermal sensor will communicate directly with the cooktop to ensure the cooking cycle ends at the exact moment your food is ready. Moving to the interface, the digital display is bright, crisp, and incredibly intuitive. You get a massive range of temperatures starting at 100 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 575 degrees. That is 106 different temperature increments, which gives you granular control that most standard stoves simply cannot match. You also get 5 primary presets for common tasks like low temperature warming, medium heat, and high heat searing. Plus, there are 3 wattage settings ranging from 700 to 1800 watts, allowing you to manage your power consumption and cooking speed effectively. Design-wise, this unit is built for durability and convenience. It features an 8-inch enlarged magnetic coil, which creates better heat distribution across your pans. The surface is made of shatter-proof ceramic glass that is designed to take a beating. Since induction relies on magnetism, the surface itself does not get dangerously hot like an old-school burner, which makes it significantly safer for busy kitchens. It is also portable enough for a dorm, an RV, or even just as an extra burner for the holidays when your main stove is fully occupied. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. The clear pros are the precision, the energy efficiency, and the massive amount of control you have over the cooking process. Having 46 memory slots is a fantastic touch for saving your favorite cooking profiles. The main drawback to consider is that because this is an induction unit, you must use magnetic-compatible cookware. If your current pots and pans are copper or aluminum without a magnetic base, they simply will not work. Additionally, because it is so feature-rich, there is a tiny learning curve if you are coming from a basic analog stove, but once you master the presets, it is incredibly easy to use. In conclusion, the Nuwave Induction Cooktop is a powerful, smart, and highly efficient solution for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. It bridges the gap between home kitchen convenience and professional culinary performance. Whether you are living in a small apartment or you are just looking for a better way to sear a steak without heating up your whole house, this is a premium tool worth the investment. Link in the description.